Hello everyone, my name is Rafi and I'll be your instructor in this course. I have 17 years of experience in visual effects. You are going to learn Maya from scratch. Instead of creating one big project, this course contains variety of professional and high quality short projects. This is more fun, more interesting and more engaging for beginners. I'll assume you are new to Maya and never opened it. So why this course is different than other courses online? Most of tutorials online teaching you Maya by focusing on very long 3D modeling and texturing process. But this course will teach you Maya by creating visual effects and variety of short projects. And I believe this is more fun, more interesting for new users. We are going to start super simple and gradually we're gonna move to create more complicated effects. So this course is for those who are completely new to Maya and never opened it. So let's get started.